We caught Kolossal Lúinor L6 in our SpiderWeb. Welcome to the SpiderWeb. The unboxings are back. For this video, I will be unboxing Kolossal Lúinor L6. This is an interesting SpeedStorm release. So it comes with Wheel and Mobius SpeedStorm, which is definitely parts I'm looking forward to. Let's take a look at the back of this box. So, Kolossal Lúinor L6. Spins to the left. Makes sense. Ring looks interesting. Chip looks okay. And, of course, we already know the disc and driver. This is a single, so this unboxing video won't be way too long. I don't really have much else to say at this point until we open this box, so let's do it. Here's a good look at the parts. First part we shall go over is Kolossal. And Kolossal is a very decent ring. It's not terrible, but at the same time it's not really overpowered or like really strong at all. It's kind of just in the middle. I'd say out of SpeedStorm, it's in the middle of a lot of SpeedStorm rings. I do like the look of this, although maybe a different shade of yellow would have been a little better for it. I don't know, maybe a little darker, perhaps? I don't know. It's probably just me. But overall, I think this ring's just overall okay. Like, just dead center okay. Next up we have the Lúinor L6 chip. And Lúinor looks really good. I love the look of this. Like the whole red and the blue in the center, it looks very nice. The yellow is pretty cool as well. And I love how they added some glitter effects in the chip. There's the QR code if you'd like to scan it. It seems like the slopes are okay. They don't seem too bad. But I think that's the thing with Lúinor chips in general. For SpeedStorm, they're really just okay. Not really way too great or anything, but it's okay. Altogether, this does look nice. I really do like it. Alright, let's move on. Next up we have the Wheel disc, and Wheel is very, very good. A really good disc. I'm very glad we get another one released in another pack. I would like to see more of this disc in later packs because it's just really good. It's so good to have a Wheel disc or two. Wheel is really good for stamina, really good to balance out a bay, has really good weight distribution and weight in general. It's just overall very solid. How many stars does this disc have? I see the number 3, but I don't see any stars on it at all. That's very interesting. But whatever, I guess. And finally, we have Mobius SpeedStorm, which is also a very good driver. A very good part. So, of course, Mobius does indeed have the whole free spinning gimmick. So, definitely good life after death from what I can tell. And it can have good spin equalization or maybe spin stealing capabilities with some combos, making it pretty useful in opposite spin matches. I really like the color of this. I'm glad they made it red. I think it does suit this whole bay in general. And overall burst resistance is just okay, as it seems. As I figured, the slopes are indeed just okay. It seems like the spring in this driver is okay as well. Not bad, not way too good, just okay. Alright, so, Kolossal, 7.72 grams. Lúinor, 2.83 grams. Very typical weight for SpeedStorm chips. Alright, altogether, 10.55 grams. Wheel should be like 24.59. Oh, 24.91 grams. I guess I was close. I guess. And Mobius SpeedStorm, 7.10 grams. Alright. Let's put the whole bay together. 42.55 grams. Alright. Definitely good that reaches over 40, because that's what most SpeedStorm bays weigh. A little over 40. Alright. Now that that's over with, let's move on to the test battle. Alright. We have the red SpeedStorm Stadium, and it's time for a test launch. 3, 2, 1, let it. Whoa. Bay looks kind of weird when it spins, I'm not gonna lie. Has a very weird motion in this red stadium. Is it already running out of stamina? Or... Huh. This whole bay is just kind of odd to me. Like, the look of it is fine and everything, it does come for some pretty good parts, but it does seem weird. I don't know, it's giving me a weird feeling. Probably just me though. Alright, let's battle... How about Vex Lucius? Mobius versus Mobius. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh. Usually Vex outlasts less things because it has Mobius. But this Kolossal Lúinor also has Mobius, so let's see who takes the cake. And it's actually Kolossal Lúinor with the Survivor finish. 3, 2, 1, let it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna outlast this dude, not just because it has Mobius, but also because it has Wheel. And Wheel is definitely better than 2D-D. Like the chassis disc that Vex has. Yep, it beat it again. Barely, but it beat it. A win is a win. Alright, it's already looking good for Kolossal Lúinor. Bring in Hollow Doom Sizer. 3, 2, 1, let it. That may have been Kolossal Lúinor by a tad bit, but not officially sure. 3, 2, 1, let it. Whoa. Oh, there goes Hollow, being crazy. If Lúinor survives this, I'm gonna be really pleased. Yep, and the slopes did move. I feel like the one good thing about Kolossal is that it has a lot of defensive capability. It's not really easy to burst a bay that has a Kolossal ring unless the slopes are really bad. Alright, let's get Glide Rocktivore. 3, 2, 1, let it. The grind. If it beats Glide, automatic 7 out of 10. Automatic 7 out of 10, at the very least, as of now. Woo! 3, 2, 1, let it. This bay actually seems good. It might not get a lot of burst finishes, but it doesn't seem like it's really easy to burst, and in fact it can get some pretty good survivor finishes against opposite spins. Oh, well there you go. Glide gets that one. Alright. So we need to put Kolossal up against a left spin or two. How about Kolossal Lúinor versus Kolossal Helios? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. If it beats the original Kolossal Helios, that's gonna be so funny. It seems good against right spins, and it beat the original Kolossal Helios. Bro, Helios, why'd you let that happen? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. He's gonna take it. Again, Kolossal Lúinor. Bro, Kolossal Lúinor is doing really well. We're up against Raid Lúinor. 3, 2, 1, let it. Whoa. Looks like Raid gets this victory. Oh, Raid nearly bursted though. I'll have to say. 3, 2, 1, let it. Ooh. Wow. Raid popping this guy up. And Raid with yet another victory. Okay, so maybe not against Raid Lúinor, but did do pretty good against a lot of the other opponents we put you up against so far. So, looking pretty good. But we gotta switch stadiums. We have the Volt Knockout Beys Stadium up and running. Test launch in 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh yeah. Zooming around in this stadium. Compared to the last one, yeah, it has more movement. And then of course it just chills in the center. Nice. Brave Valtryek shall battle this dude in the stadium first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa. Brave being a little weird again. I doubt Brave will win. Yeah, I didn't think so. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, Brave. My God. Dude. And Kolossal Lúinor wins again. Alright, Kolossal Lúinor shall battle Infinite Achilles. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Infinite has really good attack power, but it's versus is just kind of not there. Oh, but as you can see, Infinite actually got that victory. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Rip. Come on, Kolossal, beat Infinite. Whoa. Dang, Kolossal, stay in there. Come on, you got this, buddy. And it does indeed beat Infinite that time. How about let's get World Spryzen and set World in left spin. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh gosh, we just switched roles. Kolossal is just gonna try to stall it out. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. I didn't think that would work. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Rip. Ooh. Come on. Kolossal Lúinor, what are you doing? Okay, so not against World in left, apparently. Should I put World in right? Nah, we're just gonna move on. Let's go ahead and get Demise Devilos. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa. Pretty solid attacks. but it looks like Lúinor gets that victory once again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Dang, Kolossal just smacked Devilos right in the air. And it gets the victory. This Bey is not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Let's put up against one more opponent. That opponent shall be Helios Blazebringer. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. See. And nope. Survivor finish goes to Helios. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa! Helios with the strong attack. Lúinor trying to fight back, but I don't know, guys. Oh, nope. It's just done. It's just done. Alright, so, Spyder stats. Overall, this Bey is surprisingly good. Good disc, good driver. Well, really good disc and pretty good driver. The chip has good soaps. Well, they're kind of just okay. But, and I know the ring's kind of just okay, but does pretty good in battles. Kolossal is, I believe Kolossal as a ring is the main thing holding it back, because the burst, although the burst resistance is pretty good, they can only take you so far. And gets definitely good against right spins, against same spin, like other left spin Beys. It's kind of, as you can see, it got kind of smacked around by Raid, and of course it did beat Kolossal Helios. And but like against like World and stuff, it doesn't seem like it's all that good. But against them, although against right, it's definitely pretty good. It still can hold its own against some other left. So maybe an 8 out of 10, 8.5 or 8. It does look good to me. Could have looked better in some areas. I think the yellow is a little bit too. I think is foggy the right word? Maybe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say 8 out of 10. Just straight up 8. But yeah, do I recommend this Bey? Oh yeah. For the price it is, it comes with a pretty good chip. Comes with a really good disc and driver. It's like, if you don't want to buy Vex Lucius to get Mobius, because I know Vex Lucius is definitely not as good as this guy. So I would say this is probably more worth it than Vex Lucius, and it's cheaper too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this one if you're hunting for a Mobius and another wheel, because it does come with a decent chip as well for a really good price, I must stress. Alright, thank y'all for watching, and keep blading. Command Valtryek and Morigna, let's go.